today I'm going to take the HP Slimline desktop model number 260-A114 and I'm going to upgrade the memory on it. It's simple. It's just a Phillips head 2 screwdriver. Remove this screw. This panel is going to come out, and then you're going to flip it down, and the memory is going to be in this area here. Now this model is the 64-bit, so it does allow you to install up to 16 gigs, which would be 2 memory sticks, each being 8 megabytes each. The 32 gig allows you up to 8 gigs. I'm gonna put the type of memory down in the description for later. So let's start tearing this up. So screw right there. Pop this out. So you pull it out, and then you just pull up, put it aside, and this is what the inside looks like. These are 2 memories. In order for this to work, you do have to have 2 modules at the same time. You cannot put one at a time, it won't work properly. So in order to remove this memory, it's simple. Just push the tabs like this on either end. Remove it. That. And then this is module number 1, module number 2. So again, this would be the memory that I'm going to install. This one I actually purchased with the heatsink. They range anywhere from $90 starting price. You could also pick these up online, eBay or Amazon, and you should be able to find a good price on them. Or you could go to anywhere like Micro Center, Best Buy do carry it, Center. They normally start around $90, depending on the brand itself. But again, these are with the heatsink here, and these are 8 megabytes each. So this is how we're going to install it. You're going to take, this is 240 pins, so we're going to look for pin 1, which will be up here. And you can also see on the board, right here, that's the little separation or tab. If you don't know which pin is number 1, you can always, mirror it, put the memory module here, and just line up the tab with the actual memory. So what you do is make sure that these buttons are fully retracted, and then you're going to take the model and slide it in, and you're going to hear it snap. That's how it looks when it's... And you're going to take the second one, you're going to do the same. See, this one the other way around. So it's simple. This one you just slide in again and gently snap in. So now all the tabs are closed. Everything's fine. And you just do everything in reverse. Put the top of the case like this, slide it in. Stand it up. Sorry. No. Yep, tight. There, you're done. Now next video I'm gonna do would be upgrading this 1 terabyte to a 250 SSD solid state drive. You know, follow me and I'll be able to show you how to do that, and it should be a fun project.